Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I'm going to be talking to you about how to take care of your perfumes as well as a great subscription service for fragrances. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. I did a video on which fragrances last the longest and which ones don't. Well, that started a whole conversation and all of you really chimed in, and I did not know that I was in so much company with people that love fragrances. So I'm going to talk to you about two things. I'm going to tell you how to take care of your fragrances and your perfumes, and I'm going to introduce you to this subscription service for fragrances. Now, this is a sponsored video, but you know me. I will not introduce to you any product that I am not totally in love with, and I am in love with Scentbird. Let me tell you how it works. It's a subscription service. It's a monthly subscription service, and you can pick out perfumes that you want to receive and try out. That way, you don't have to invest in a $120 bottle or a $130 bottle and then realize, you know what, that was not the perfume for me. So let me show you what you get. You're going to be receiving a perfume in a beautiful little sachet like this, and this is the atomizer. I think these are adorable. They will send you a different one every month, and you can order more than one if you like. They sent me these three to show you. So let me show you how beautiful these three are. Oh, and you know what? They sell other things as well. You know, they also sell makeup. For example, this look that I have. Well, this look is from the video that I did on Deck of Cards. Remember? Deck of Cards. Silly me. Well, that's one way of never forgetting the name. Deck of Scarlet. So this is number 7. Everybody liked that one on me, so I went ahead and I did it again for you, that look. I hope you like it. But getting back to the fragrances. See how beautiful these are? You get to keep this in your purse, which is a beautiful, sophisticated look. And this is how it works. Let me show you. All you do is twist it like that, and then the little top comes out, which is where you spray it from. Oh, that smells divine. It just smells so good. And now let me show you the vial. There you go. There's the vial. This one, and that's a lot. I think that's 120. Let me see how many mLs you get here. 8. Not 120. What's wrong with me? That's 8. You get 8. 120 squirts. That's where I got the 120. And oh my gosh, I'm still smelling this. This is delicious. This one is Versace Eros Perfume. And you know, you switch them out. When they send you another one, you just put the other one in here. See, it's so simple. I don't know, whoever invented this is a genius. This is not gonna come out. It's a beautiful, beautiful design. The ones that I received, well, I was able to pick them out. I got the Versace, which I love. I love it. It is a bold but feminine scent. That's the best way I can describe it. You know, I looked up on the internet how they describe everything, and I said, well, yeah, it kind of is the way I am looking at it, but I don't want to change my opinion of the perfume with the description I find online. But you know what? It's so true, because this one is described as a vibrant and feminine and seductive notes, and yes, that's exactly what I thought that was like. So they know what they're doing. If you don't know what perfume you want to pick that month, go online and read the descriptions. So this one is from Vince Capunto. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, and this is Divina. And it is divine, because divina means feminine, divine, and that's exactly what it is. This is such a it's like a feminine flowery, softer type of scent. Very, very, very feminine. I love it. I really do love it. And then the other one that I have, let's see, I got the Versace. Oh yeah, this one. I got this one because I was so intrigued by the description I found online as well as the name. This one is from Arquiste, the Architect Club. And I'm gonna tell you the description that I found online. And I love it. I love this one. It says, let's see where it is. I gotta find it. Where's the description? Oh, here it is. Here it is, here it is. Okay, it says, a group of architects gather for cocktails at Mayfair's smartest Art Deco smoking room. As they settle in the warm interior of the dark woods, leather and velvet, London's bright young things burst in, frosted martinis in hand, surrounded by a cloud of laughter, white smoke, and fine vanilla. It transports you. So when you read these descriptions online, if they click with your personality, then you should try them. This is a wonderful way of trying out to see which fragrances you want to use. They're going to last you for at least a month. And these are fine fragrances. I mean, you can get all kinds of designer names. You can get, well, the ones that I just mentioned. You can get Prada. You can get, which ones? Let me see. Prada, Gucci, Tom Ford. You can get all kinds of designer fragrances. These, and they're in partnership. So it's not like, it's an official partnership. So you're going to get the real deal. Now, you know, I want to tell you that when you fall in love with a fragrance, and you decide, you know, I want to buy the big beautiful bottle, I'm going to tell you how to take care of it. But before I go on and give you those fragrance care tips, if you're interested in getting your own subscription of these Scentbird's fragrances, then go ahead and look at the link that I'm going to put below, because yes, you're going to be able to get a discount. So that discount, I think it's going to be a 30% discount. Let me check. I don't want to mess things up. Yes, 30%. That means you own $10. Okay, come on. This dispenser, this atomizer alone is worth it, right? Now, taking care of your fragrances. Let's say you fall in love with the Versace that they sent you. You want to go ahead and keep this one in your purse. Maybe you want to order another one in a couple of months while you try different fragrances in the meantime. And you want to go buy your bottle of Versace. Great. What you need to do is don't throw away the box. That's right. The best place to keep your perfumes is in the box you bought them. I know they look beautiful on the counter, but the light, the sunlight is going to start to degrade the composition and change the scent. You fell in love with a particular scent, and that's the scent you want to keep. Also, heat will degrade it. So don't put them near heat. Don't put them in the bathroom, because sometimes, you know, you take a shower in hot water and that heat is also going to degrade the composition and change the scent. And do perfumes go bad? Yes, they do. They'll go bad after a few, maybe 2 years, maybe 3. They will go bad. You can tell because maybe they smell different, they look different, the color is now maybe darker, or there's sedimentary particles that you suddenly see. There'll be a change, and the change is typically not for the better. So take care of those delicious perfumes that you're falling in love with. Treat them like you would a romantic relationship. You want to nurture your relationship. You want to take care of your relationship. You also want to take care of your fragrances. You want to make sure that they last and that they make you happy for a long time. So I hope that this video has made you happy. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.